Wow. So look at this. This thing has been a terror up here. It's like a lot of fresh dirt. I'm gonna walk all these down real quick and we'll check it again in a little bit. All right, guys, we walked this down earlier. Now I just came back and here he goes, right back through the run. It's go time. Oh, oh boy, he is deep. Oh boy. Oh. Come on, baby. Oh. How about that? There he is. I'd have to look back at my phone to see how long ago, but I walked these down maybe an hour ago. I went down, I talked to my neighbor about it. He said that he had mowed the runs down like maybe yesterday, and I told him that it had already worked again this morning, and hopefully this is the same one that is tearing up his flower bed. Hopefully it is, coming from the same, up from the hill and across the top of these cedars this morning. But anyway, you for sure don't want these guys in your flower beds. They'll get in your mulch. If they're just looking for worms, they'll destroy the place. But we got this one. You know, it's amazing. You can look at their front feet and you can see on there that they have an extra digit. Some people say they have 6 fingers. They have this extra digit right here that they use to help them to dig. But they're pretty amazing creatures. All right, on to the next one. God bless you all from the Mole Eliminator.